Hello, hi guys. Welcome back to the next session of workflow training series, and thank you for choosing ZK tutorials. So, guys, in the previous session, we have discussed about containers. Okay, we have discussed about what is containers, what are the types of containers. We have discussed. Okay, but now in this today's session, we will do a small demo again by extending our previous workflow only. So, what is my requirement now? What we have done in our previous we have created. We have already created a workflow, leave request workflow, either it will say leave request workflow. Okay, normal. What was the title? If you will remind, please respond to my leave request. If I will show you also, no worries. Will not take that much time. Second. Array. I have logged in. 1 second. Let me zoom it out. Okay. Okay, guys. Sorry for this. It's taking much time. Yeah. I will go to SWDD. Okay, we have created this transition, this workflow. Okay, it was already exec. I will execute this again. I will execute this. So it will reach out to my workplace, business workplace. I will go there. I will go to the transaction code SWSO01. Correct. I will go there. You can see in the inbox. Okay, please respond on my leave request. So this was my text. I will double click on it. I will approve or reject it. Okay, it's easy. Nothing important, nothing new in this. Okay, if I will, 1 second. Yeah, this was my please respond my leave request. Okay, so this is what my we have created in our previous sessions only when we have seen the demo, first demo. But guys, there is so many issues. Okay, first is what is the type of mail? Type of email means what is the type of leave? Whether it's a sick leave, it's a vacation leave. When look guys, whenever you one give me a 1 minute, let me put my laptop on charge. Charge. Yeah, sorry guys. So whenever you send a mail to our manager, what you will write on the header? What do you write in the subject? Same now, like whether you have to approve leave request for sick leave, leave request for vacation leave, correct? So what is the type of leave? We don't have over there, correct? This is my first issue with this, correct? Who have sent this? Who have sent this email? Send this work item, or who have sent this email in my inbox. Okay, here if I will show you, here if you will see this guys, where look, where is a username here? I don't have any username here. Okay, second issue. Third issue, from when to when we need leave. Is there any duration mentioned over there? No duration, nothing is there. But if I will say you, all of those things will be achieved. How this will be achieved? Through our containers. We have seen workflow container, task container, different container. Let's see, we will use some of the containers in our this practice demo session. Okay, so where, okay, is this clear? But now we are having one more issue. If you will say, sir, I will create a leave request only. Okay, where I will put up, please respond on my sick leave from let's give some date. Let's say I will say here is 09/06/2024 to 12/6/2024. Correct? You can say this. But I have one question, guys. Whenever we was doing programming, okay, what we used to do whenever we were doing the programming, what we used to do, for example, I want to fetch the data from the for some material. Let's say I want to fetch the data from a material, okay, or yeah, leave it there. I want to fetch the data from the MAKT table, correct? So we are having one field which is known as SPRS inside that. So what does this field contains of? Whether it's English, whether it's Germany, whether whatever the language, SPRS is my language. So in some cases, what we used to do, we used to write our select query where psi SPRS equal to psi language. Why? So that it will fetch the description of the material from the MAKT table based on my language, whatever my the system language is. So we are not hard coding. We in very last cases we used to hard code like it's even English or something. So it was changing dynamically. Same thing over here also. If you will write a mail like this, if someone wants to write send a work item, okay, in which case he or she needs some leave request, then will he or she come to you, or if this is in my production system, then will this be another, like we have to create one tr and send it to the production system with the vacation leave? No, again we need to change the date, correct? So but what we used to do, what we can do, or we can say where if we want to fetch the material matnar equal to, we used to write our at the rate underscore matnar, s underscore matnar is my select options, selection scheme where material got changed. Same thing we can also achieve over here. What we can do is we can send it like that. We can send it. Please respond, respond on my here. I want user to enter some value. Okay, leave type. I will create a variable here from, let's say, from f date to date by username. Correct? I hope this will. Look, guys, whatever the leave type will be there, he or she can mention there. From which date to which date it will be there. By the username also we can mention there. All of those things will be achieved into our workflow also. Okay, without wasting our time, let's start with the workflow. I will share my scale. Yeah, is this clear, guys? What we are going to do now? Okay, SWDD. Sorry. So is this requirement clear? So if you will go there, you can see something known as workflow container. Okay, you can see double click to create. We can create over here. So first is my sick leave type. I will say L type, leave type, correct? Leave type. Okay, I will again say here as L underscore type, correct? I can select. Is this clear, guys? What I'm going to do now? Okay, I will say I will go there. I will select any of them I can select. And if I will show you one more thing, I will click on F4. F4, you can see we can search for data elements, we can search for structure, we can search for table type. We can also give the table types over there. Whatever you want to give, we can give over there. Character 25 is there, correct? So, okay, leave it. Okay, character 25 we can give. Sorry, I will double click again on this character 25. Okay, I will go to the properties. What I want is I want to import it. I want to give it to the user will enter some value because we don't want to take anything from here, correct? From here we can get exporting mandatory also. Okay, if I will go to the initial values, if I will go to the initial values, you can see I can enter some predefined value. Let's say if I will give the sick leave, so whenever it will be sent, it will automatically come as a sick leave. I don't want anything now. Chain data will contain all the details. which I have shown you yesterday also. Is this clear? What is this type is? I'll give just the type and I will click on continue. You can see this leave is created. Okay. Why this one is coming? It's saying as mandatory is important. Okay. Correct, guys? Now I want to create one more. Let's say I want a username. Correct? I want it for my username. I will give here as I underscore username, or I will say uname, I underscore uname, username. Correct? And in the dictionary type, I will select, I will say here as uname. I think uname, yeah, uname. Okay. I will go to the properties again. What I want is, I want this as a importing, okay, and I want to make it as a mandatory also, okay. Initial values, I can give some initial values also. Anything, whatever you want to give, some username, or you can give here that Sai underscore uname. As of now, I'm not giving anything. Again, in the change data, nothing is from our use, okay. I will go to change data, nothing is there. I will click on continue. Correct? Two variables we have created, same like we used to do in our ABAP programming, correct? Now, these two things are clear, leave type and my uname. Now, I want some date, correct? Let's say I will double click on this again. No, okay. From date, f underscore date, f underscore date, from date. Okay, I will go to the data dictionary type and I will select from here as a data. Okay, properties, importing parameter. Okay, I'm not selecting mandatory here. Click on continue. That's all. We have created. From date, I want to create now as a, one second here, double click to create. I will say here as a from date to date, t date, to date. Okay. Again, I will keep here as site item. Okay. No site item. I will give here as data. Correct. Click on continue. That's all, guys. We have created four parameters. Okay. I type, IU name. Okay, I will click there. I will go to the parameters. Look, guys, we have not created it as a importing or exporting parameter. That's why it was coming as a local parameters. Okay, let's say I will give, once again, it's my F date, it's my T date. Let's make it as a importing. I will click on continue. Is this clear, guys? Save the workflow. Now I want to pass it to my name. I want to pass it to my title. If I will go there to the steps, you can see we are having something known as parameters. There are four parameters available, and you can see these parameters we can use by using and symbol. Let's say this is 1 2 3 4, and how we can use this? We can use this as a please respond on my, let's say I parameter 1 sick leave. I will say and 1. Correct? Okay, leave it. Whatever it is there, leave it as of now. Parameter 1. What I want in my parameter 1? I will click on F4. All the parameters which are there, it will come over here. L type. I will select this, correct? Parameter 2. What I want is, let's say, F date, from date. Parameter 3. What I want is to date. Parameter 4. By username. For, where is my uname? I underscore uname. You can see, guys, and L type, F date, LT date, IU underscore uname, all of them are occurred here. Now I want to prepare my title. Simple. Please respond on my sick leave request. Let's say and 1. This is my, so that it will contain it, whatever the value we will pass there, it will paste it over there on my sick leave request from which date? And 2. Where is my and 2? And 2 2 and 3. Okay. By which user? And 4. And 4. That's all, guys. This is what I need to do. Okay. Same thing we can do with material numbers. With different things we can do. Okay. Save this. Okay, continue, continue, save this again, and finally check this. Okay, no errors. I will activate it. So our workflow is activated successfully. Correct? I hope this one is clear to everyone till here. No, no issues till here. What I will do is I will just click on execute button. Okay, you can see guys, all these values came here. I underscore type, I underscore uname, I underscore f underscore date, t underscore date, and underscore type. Why this one is coming? Because it's a mandatory parameter. I will say here as a sick leave. Uname, I will say here as what is my username? Kzafar. Okay, I will say here as KZAFAR. Okay, from date, I will say here as 09.06.2024. To date 12.06.2024. Correct? Clear is clear? Okay. So I have entered these values. Now let's execute this. Correct guys? You can see sick leave case of this one is my T date. Correct? I will execute this. You can see guys. Okay, and one is not coming. At array. Sorry guys. I will write in as at the rate one. I'm really sorry guys. Just give me a minute. I will go again there and I have to make it as a end one. Again, insert. Where is my insert? Is there? And respond on my sick leave request. And again, I have to remove this and 3 and I have to make it as a and 3. Okay, I will be fine. Save this. Okay, continue. I will check this and again, finally, I will activate this. Sorry, guys, that was my mistake. Sorry. So I will again execute this. I will click there. I will give here a sick leave. Okay, uname, case there. F date, I will give it as 9, 6, 2024, 12, 6, 2024. Okay, correct? I will execute this. You can see guys, please respond on my sick leave request from 9/6/2024 to by 12/6/2024 by case of her. Is this, I hope this one is very, like, you can say it's very informative, very like, okay. If I will go to SO, my business workplace. So you can see, look guys, how good this will looks like now. I will expand this. Okay, correct now? Is this clear? So this is how it will be looks like. I will tear into my demo. Okay, will it come here? Yes. So we have achieved this. Okay, I will go there. Okay, so you can see guys, this is the title of my leave. It's very meaningful. Okay, so that's the power of container. How we have achieved this? Only by using the containers. Is this clear guys? Okay, hope this one is clear to everyone. Okay, I will go back. Now you can check the workflow logs also. How can you check the workflow logs? I will click on workflow log. You can see guys, this is in my progress. Okay, by, okay. So through this, you can see like my workflow logs. Okay. Okay. I hope this one is clear. And if I will extend this, okay, I will click here. So that you can see it in more like depth also. Okay. I will go back. Okay. Okay. So you can see the workflow logs like this. I will click on details tab if you will see. And in process, this is because we have not taken any action till now. I want to show you the work items. Okay, this is my work item. Work item ID. Task. This is my, yeah. Sorry guys. Yeah, you can see here. This is my work item ID. Correct. So you can see work item ID and my task ID. Let's say I will click on this. Okay. You can see start by end by nothing is there as of now. No attachments is there. Okay. Mm, let's try by click on execution. Okay, it will again go there. Let's go back. Okay. And one more thing I want to show you over here. We'll go there to my work item ID. I will click on. Nothing is happening there. No, nothing is happening. Yeah. Okay, leave it. Control P is different. Okay. Give me a moment, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope this one is clear. How to check the workflow logs and all. One more important thing which I want to tell here. If I will click on, you can see graphical workflow log. I will click on graphical workflow log, and you can see this green line. Okay. Why? What this green line indicates? It indicates that this workflow is run till here as of now. Correct? Till here, this workflow is executed because we have not approved or rejected it. If I will go back and let's say I will go 01, I will go there and I will approve it. Okay, let's approve it. Then it will show me the path. Graphical workflow log. You can see guys which path we have taken. We have please approve my leave request, approve. Okay, and then it have came to an end. Okay, let's end and then workflow completed. Is this clear? I hope this one is easy. You may be thinking this one ki what you are teaching, sir. This is very simple. What this green line indicates. Okay, whenever we will be doing some more complex example. At that time, this will be very helpful for us. Okay, so this will tell us the process how the workflow executed. You can see if we will reject it, then our workflow, this green line will come from here to there. Correct. So this is how you can analyze this workflow. Is this clear? So guys, that's all for this session. And in the next session, we will see how can we call the workflow using a report. Okay. So let's end this session and thank you for joining this guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.